All right, Smoke out here at the domain doing self-driving on his own. Keep in mind, this car's doing self-driving on his own in the race car with the racing seats, racing Hornets. No faulty codes on the dash. Peep game, 101. No airbag lights, because you know the factory seats are airbags. They're stopping at the stop sign. It's gonna come out a little bit more so you can see, because it's like a little curve there. So. Oh wait. We got wait. Oh. I have to get used to it. I ain't gonna lie. I love it. I love this. Other than being sensitive though, I love it. Got a couple of the GoPros in here doing this thing. You see those Sparko custom Tesla carbon fiber race seats. Hey, yo, it's your boy EvSmokeATX, Big Texas. Hey, in this video today, let me let the garage up here. In this video here today, we're gonna make a little quick, as it cools down out here. It's hot right now, but we're gonna, in this video, first off, welcome to the channel if this is your first time. But if it's not your first time, welcome back. I appreciate it. But in this video today here, we're going to talk about, or I should say, do a full self-driving hardware 3 with Smoke here to go get something to eat. But also too, I did a video just the other day with the improvement software update with Smoke here. So I want to check this out and let you see the race car do its thing with full self-driving. So let me get the camera set all up, get the vehicle moved, and we're gonna summon it out of here on its own. Oh, look like we got another software update as well. So let's see what that's about as well. So yeah, let's talk about it. Let's ride and show you full self-driving hardware 3 on this 22 Tesla 101 S Plaid. Drive me around like it should. So come along, check out this video. Come on, peace. See, so it's coming. So I am testing out FSD, the newer version, supervised, to see if I can tell any improvements with the sun glare and the sun facing directly on me. So let's see what we get from this here. Navigate to Velvet Tacos. The newer version of FSD supervised, but it's much better now, because previous version, by me having my phone in my hand or a device or not paying attention, doing other things, it would have been alert just like that. So it got a little better there. So I see where it's going. I see a big improvement though, I must say, but I know some other major updates coming that's going to be crazy once they remove the full self, remove the supervised of it. People sitting in the back seat, going to sleep, things like that. You know, it wasn't intended for that. You know, it's intended for exactly what I'm doing now, just, you know, relaxing. Yeah, if I had something to eat at the time, I want to eat, check emails or something like that, you can do things like that, which I would say, you know, this tended for, especially in traffic, stop and go traffic. You know, it's really annoying. You have to stop and go, but with the car doing it itself for you, you couldn't ask for anything better. I was trying to do this earlier in the day where you can see much brighter. It is dark in my car here. I got 10 all in this thing for race purpose, for glare and things like that on the track. But it gets really dark here at night, so I'm trying to get much as I can and kind of talk to you guys here a little bit before it gets too dark here. Because I think even if I turn the light on, it still be kind of dark up in here. I'm going to be trying to get more videos out like this with me talking in depth, and if anything you guys want to know or you want to ask me, leave it in the comments on some videos, and or ask me to do a video on certain things, I would do my best to do it. Like I said, this is really something new to me, that, you know, getting in front of the camera just talking, you know, even though I am a talkable, goofy person. But I'm trying to get better and better with it. I'm trying to do it more, you know, be more consistent with it. Because I have had some people ask me, said they would like to see more videos of me demonstrating things, even when I'm not at the track. That's too close there now. That's a little too close there, Smoke. I know we're in traffic. Newer version of FSD supervised, but it's much better now, because previous version, I mean, having my phone in my hand or a device or not paying attention, doing other things, it would have been alert just like that. So it got a little better there. So I see where it's going. I see a big improvement, though, I must say. But I know some other major updates coming that's going to be crazy once they remove the full self. Remove the supervised of it. I'll be honest with you, this self-driving, fully autonomous is much safer than us. The car sees more things that we don't see. You know what I mean? It's smarter than we are, you know, to be honest with you, because the car calculates, according to the way things are moving around you. The Tesla Vision, which I'm gonna show a demonstration of that as well, it sees what we don't see in real time. It's gonna be taking a left there, down there, and the car gonna automatically get in that left lane on its own and everything. Now, if I wanted to get in the left lane right now as we speak, I can just hit the turn signal now. I can hit the turn signal now and it automatically do it, which I'm gonna do it right now. So ain't nobody behind me there. Blind spots are good. There you go. Turn signal goes off on its own. So right now it just stopped at the stop. It's about to stop at the stoplight. My feet are planted right here. You know, it's gonna stop. See, look at that. Taking that turn. Getting over in that left lane, getting ready to get on 35 there, as you can see. And this is stop and go traffic. There's a lot of traffic out right now, so this is what I love about you. My feet are planted right there, just chilling. You see all the pedestrians and everything. I'm gonna test it out to see if it can park itself, but I was having problems with that because of my parachute back there. So they see all those. Come on, see. Smoke, we're trying to be generous and let them go. Let me put the windows down for a minute. Let a little light in here because my tint is so dark. We can't go straight. Okay. So it's gonna make that turn. Yep. It did it. Okay, it's a car coming out here. Let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, hey. Smoke seeing. Smoke seeing. But you're not gonna come out? Smoke see you. Alright, so you see these people walking across, of course, even though it's time to go, but you see those people, so then we got another guy just come out of nowhere. So now Smoke finna go. Okay. Something just happened. Something funky just happened. Oh, some pedestrians. So, you see that car going. Slow down, cowboy. We ain't at the track. Slow down, baby. I know we known for speed, baby. Slow down over here. Let's tiptoe. Let's set the speed limit to 10. Yeah, we'll do it to 10. Smoke trying to do his thing. All right, see that car? And I think I'll see what's going on too. These lines in the road are not the brightest. I think that's making making an effect on it, but it's still hanging in there. It's still doing its thing though. This is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna see what it's gonna do. It's a bus. It's two cars in front of me. It's a bus parked to the right. Let's see what Smoke do. And he see those emergency signals on, and he just went by it. He just went by it. Okay. Oh, okay. He saw that car backing up. He saw basically what the other one was doing. He went beside it. So that was pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with that one. That was a good one there. He went beside and just kept going. All right, we're gonna make our right up here so we get up out of here and get on the toll road. Let's see. Yeah, oh, yeah, I make a turn. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's do this here. Let's just say go home. Let's just say go home. I want to show my home address. So, you see these two pedestrians right here. And you see that car too as well. So let's see. Soon as they go by, it's going to do its thing. Okay, see those two right there. Let's see what they do. So... okay, now there you go. That was a left lane turn, straight or right here. So it automatically went over there. I like that. It did what it's supposed to do. Interesting. Like I said, I got the GPS in to navigate to home. Now I should go. Yep, it automatically put the left signal on. Clear to go. .55 speed limit. We're gonna do 60 though. It's merging on over to the interstate. Toll. 65. We're gonna go 75. 75. You know what? I'm gonna make sure. I don't want to show my address. I'm gonna do no tolls. So I just changed it. On the side to no tolls. Tell me to pay attention because we're going fast, and plus it was some stuff going on out there, so it wanted me to pay attention. All right, I'm back. This time I turned the light on so I can see better. But we're back moving here in front of this traffic. I don't know what happened all the way over there, what it got to do with here, but that's how it goes. So check this out. I'm finna put the right signal on. There's a car right here by me. There's a car right there by me. Watch what the car gonna do. It's not gonna let me do it. Well, it's the blind spot. Bam, it speed up to pass that car. Alright, this is gonna be interesting here. It's a curve. It's a nice little good right curve to merge onto the new other street here. The car automatically slow down to the appropriate speed. It's a yield sign. So he yield. He don't see anything. He gone. is 40, but my car's sitting so low and so on. We're gonna break that speed limit down a little bit here because it's a hilly road. This ain't your average, you know, your average regular Plaid going through here. You feel me? Oh, there you go. I was yawning. That's crazy. I was yawning, yawning hard, holding his phone. It told me, pay attention. So, dang, did it notice that I'm tired or I was yawning? Okay. This is really interesting here. Can't really see that, but anyway. Get from behind this big truck. All right. It's so hilly, though. My baby boy, it's my baby. Get away from this big truck though. I don't like being on. I hate the road. These roads messed up. And then we're on these racing wheels and tires. Oh, I'm proud of my baby. My baby went, man. My baby a soldier there. On some of that. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna speed up fast and get over there on the right line. Yeah, baby. That was smoke do. You know, that thing. You probably can't hear it though, but that's that sound I love when I'm on the track. Hey, but real talk though, you all don't understand how smooth this car feels, how smooth this car is riding. Like, this car with the air ride suspension that I have on here it's like you riding on clouds. Like, no lie, I'm not exaggerating nowhere. I'm just being straight up. Yeah. Bright light, bright light, bright light. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, guy. All right, so just like that, there you go. A little demonstration of the full self-driving in my racing car, aka Smoke Tesla Plaid, running hardware 3. Hey, that's where it's at. Stay tuned for more. Definitely check out some of the other videos as well. And then if you found it, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We got more to come. EvSmoke. I'm out. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.